friends, welcome to Foodies Buddies. Today I'm gonna make a delicious dinner roll stuffed with beef and few veggies. And so it's really delicious and simple to make. So let's get started. Add 1 teaspoon of active dry yeast in a bowl with 1/4 cup of warm water. So do not add hot water or cold water, because if you are adding hot water, that will kill the yeast and it will not ferment. If we are adding the cold water, it will not allow to activate the yeast. So make sure to add warm water and add 1 tablespoon of sugar and mix it well and keep aside for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, we can see the yeast activate really well and it's puffed up. So now we can add 1 egg with 1/4 cup of warm milk and 1/4 cup of melted butter. You can add vegetable oil instead of butter. Mix it well. Now we can add salt to taste and mix it well. Add 2.5 cup of all-purpose flour. Here I used whole grain flour, so you can use the all-purpose flour. And add half teaspoon of garlic powder and half teaspoon of Italian seasoning. It's optional. Now we can knead it well and make it to a soft and sticky dough. If you feel it's too sticky, you can add 1 more tablespoon of flour. Normally it is a sticky dough, so if you feel too sticky, you can add more flour. Add 1 teaspoon of olive oil and knead it well and keep aside for 30 minutes to 1 hour. Now we can make a filling for the bun. So I'm taking half kg of beef and adding half cup of onion, finely chopped onion, and 1 chopped tomato and 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic and 1 chopped potatoes, and 1 tablespoon of chili powder, 1 tablespoon of coriander powder, and 1 teaspoon of garam masala, and 1 teaspoon of pepper powder. Add salt to taste. Mix it well. No need to add water. Water will ooze out from the beef, so no need to add water. And close the pressure cooker and cook for 3 to 4 whistles. So our beef is ready. Now place a pan and add the cooked beef in it. Now we can cook for 5 minutes till the water evaporates and roast for 2 to 3 minutes. Now the beef is ready and keep it aside. In a pan, add 1 tablespoon of oil. Add half cup of finely chopped onion, half cup of carrot, and 1/4 cup of finely chopped capsicum, and add salt to taste. And add 1 tablespoon of chili powder, 1 tablespoon of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of garam masala, and 2 tablespoons of chili sauce, and saute it well for 2 to 3 minutes. Now we can add cooked beef and cook for 2 to 4 minutes. And add finely chopped coriander and turn off the flame. So our filling is ready. So our dough is double in size. Now we can knead it for 1 minute and divide the bowl in 2:3 ratio. The smaller one goes on the base and the bigger one goes on the top. Now we can roll out the dough using a chapati roller or pizza roller. So make a circle with a 1/4 inch thickness. So grease the pan with the butter or oil and place the rolled dough in it. Now we can add the prepared beef filling in the middle of the dough. Now we can roll out the leftover dough. And place it on the top of the stuffing and seal it well. Use the fingers and press it and seal it well. If you want, you can use water, that helps to seal well. I'm not using water here, I'm just pressing the both dough together and sealed it up. So we can keep this aside for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, take an egg and beat it well and brush it on the top of the dough. So before placing this, we need to preheat the oven for 350 Fahrenheit and bake for 10 to 15 minutes. For me, it took 12 minutes. So our beef bun is ready. So it's really delicious and simple to make. Try it out and leave a comment. If you like the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.